In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste visible cells only in Excel. So I have this table here. So I have the months in column A, and I have the number of switches in column B. So let's say I want to hide the data from April till August. So hide these rows and copy this. The problem with this is that Excel will copy everything, including the cells or rows that we hid. So let me show you here. So when we pasted the cells, it pasted the cells that we hid. So this is an issue. So to resolve this, what you need to do is highlight the cell, go to Home, and find and select, and then go to Special, and then from here select Visible Cells Only. Click OK, and then now you can copy the cell and paste it somewhere. So let's say here. Yeah, now we copy the cells that are only visible. There's a shortcut for this, and it is actually Alt plus default. Alt plus semicolon. So I'm going to highlight the cells again, and then I'm going to press Alt plus semicolon, and then Ctrl C to copy, and then Ctrl V to paste. So you can either go to Home, find select, and go to Special and Visible Cells Only, and then OK, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Alt and semicolon. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.